Hey everybody, it's Kim Danke coming to you live from my kitchen, and I'm going to show you how to make a simple cinnamon sugar mix that we can use for Shibboleth approved cinnamon toast. So I bought Swerve. This is the granular Swerve. They also have brown sugar Swerve, and we have the powdered sugar Swerve. Okay, so we got this Swerve. So I bought the granular, and then I just have cinnamon, and then I just have a nice shaker, and this cute little thing. Look, this thing is so cute. It just is a 4 tablespoon little measuring cup, which is awesome. And because I didn't have any clue as to what the ratio would be on making cinnamon sugar mixture, and prior to Shibboleth, I would have just poured a lot of sugar into a bowl and then just poured cinnamon in there until I got it the way I wanted to flavor it. But now I do things a little bit more reasonably, and so I am going to measure out this Swerve. And I'm just going to do a little bit of it because I want to make sure I like it. So you do 1 part cinnamon to 4 parts sugar. So I got that measured out at 1/4 of a cup, and I'm going to pour that into the little shaker, and then I'm just going to do a sixth of a cup. And I love that that will measure just a sixth, but a sixth of a cup of cinnamon. And I'm going to put it down in there, and that should be the right ratio. I'm just going to mix it up in there. And it looks good. It looks good. Now, I won't be able to taste this until the morning because I've already eaten all my food for the day. Yeah, it looks really good. So let's see. Oh, that's good. Okay, so now I'm just going to put my lid on here. And now I will have cinnamon and sugar mixture already ready for making cinnamon toast. So now, obviously, less bread is best. So I would probably do maybe 2 fried eggs and then 1 slice of toast, squirt some, I can't believe it's not butter on it, and some of my little cinnamon sugar mixture as a condiment. And so that should be nice and tasty. So I hope that you've enjoyed my cinnamon and sugar mixture tutorial. Let's see, Pamela. Yes, I really need to get another one too because I want to get the Swerve and the confectioner sugar and need that for that. I just threw away a plastic one today, Pamela. Hey, Cheryl. Hey, everybody. Y'all say hello. I just threw away a plastic one today, but this lighting is weird. What I use for my powdered sugar right now, well, I haven't ever bought the Swerve yet. I'm going to get it, but what we use at home right now is just one of these. So we'll put a little bit of powdered sugar in there, and then that way you get a little dusting of it. But I think I would prefer to have another one of these for powdered sugar. Approved powdered sugar. Hey, Era. How are you? All right. Well, I'm going to hop off. Hope that you'll have a great evening, and I'll see you in the morning for the Shibby Show. Bye.